Hello everyone, welcome to day 23 of solving SQL. Today we are going to solve the problem called fix names in a table. So in this question there is a single table called users. It has user ID and name. User ID is the primary key for this table and name is holds the name of the user. So the question is write a solution to fix the name so that the first character is uppercase, the rest are lowercase. So names are not in a proper order. So we have to make the names in a particular standard way. Okay. So for example, look at this table. This is the example table. Alice and Bob. These are not in a standard form. So we have to make them as standard form, like first character is capital, rest are small case. So this is a easy level question, but the concept that are going to use here are, uh, are like a basic concepts. We are going to use some methods in SQL where we can extract some characters from a string. Okay, there are some methods in SQL, and if you know this method, this is a very easy problem. Okay, so try to solve using your go to lit code. Try to solve the problem. There is nothing to explain here because the problem is actually very easy problem, but someone who does not know the methods to solve the problems may find it difficult. Otherwise, this is a very easy problem. Okay, and in lit code also this is a easy level problem. So let me write the solution here. So I'm going to select. Before I write the solution, let me show you the methods also. So select, uh, I'm going to select the ID, user ID, and I'm going to use the method called substr. This is one method in SQL. So what this method does is it extracts some characters from a string. So first you have to write the column name. So where the strings are in which column the strings are at. So write the name of that column. It is in the name. It is in the name column. Okay. Then from that string, what I want to extract the first character. So I will write the one. This is not zero index based system. It is one index based system. So first letter is not zero index. It is index number one. So I am going to extract the first letter, the number one index, and how many letters consecutively I am going to take? Only one. Okay, this is what this will return. So suppose I am writing it as suppose first letter or first. Okay, then again I am going to use the sub str from the same name column, and I'm now starting from the index number 2 till the rest. So since I'm going to take all the rest of the strings from 2, I'm not writing anything else. Okay, till last I'm going to take everything. So from 2 till last. So I am writing name comma 2 as your second. Suppose remaining. Okay, remaining. So from the users table. Okay, let me run this to show you what this gives me as output. See, A. The first is A, and rest of the characters are also returning in the remaining column. Okay. Now I am going to use the upper and lower methods. So here I am going to use the upper because I want to um, I want the upper case of this column, and I want to have lower case of this characters. Okay. So I'm going to write. Now let me run this. Okay, so A and L is Bob. Now I need to concat these two. I need to join these two rows, these two columns. First and remaining column, I need to join. So there is a separate um, method called concat. So this method will join these two um, rows. Okay, this row and this row will be joined. So close the bracket. Suppose as your name. Now this will give me the final result. See, this is getting in the files. So I hope you have understood this whole line of code. If there is any doubt, you can write it on the comment section. And if you do like a simple practice of this, you can easily understand what I have done here. Okay. So if you have any doubt, try to do it yourself. Then your doubts will be cleared. So let me submit this. So there is some error here. Okay. So I have to order the users. So there was in the description, the result from it is the return the result ordered by user ID. So I have to order the result by user ID. Ordered by one. I can simply write that. So if I submit now, so it is 88.2%. Okay. So I hope you have understood the solution. The solution is not a difficult one, a very easy problem. Okay. Only this part. So don't know the methods. You might find it difficult. Otherwise, it is a very easy problem. Okay. So since I have almost finished all the hard and medium level problems in lead code. So I'm doing some easy ones now, and those problems I'm taking those problems which are like a little bit interesting. Okay, if you have any suggestion, you can comment it on the comment section. And if you want me to solve your SQL queries, you can also send me in my email ID. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you. See you in the next video.